they have Royal Society back then?
Yeah. It was part of that, yeah.
So like what ended up happening? So like are we learning?
But Leibniz is in Germany though.
Yeah, he was in Germany. That's what we were thinking. Like either he must have started independently at the time, or
Are you saying because lack of communication?
yeah, like that's what I'm thinking. Because he said Newton submitted his report first before Leibniz did.
Yeah.
So, but they say we use Leibniz's calculus application.
We use his notation for sure.
Anything that moves.
All the symbols we're using, not all of it, a lot of the symbolology that we're using were used by him, whereas Newton did not really have a symbolic system to represent the mathematics. You might be surprised what mathematics looked like back then, actually. A lot of it was written out in plain English. All the things we were just doing with limits the other day would be written out in words. And the symbol lim would never make an appearance.
So limit a function and then
Only they wouldn't even call it a limit. They would call it, you know, as this independent value approaches indefinitely and as arbitrarily close as you would like, then this one and so forth. I mean, like straight English, trying to describe what's going on in, I mean, as clear language as possible, but you know, the average person would not know what it's saying. If you read it right now and you knew calculus, probably would know what it's saying, even though you know calculus. It's just the way it is.
There's also like cracks in calculus.
Are there cracks?
Yeah, well, there used to be cracks in calculus.
What do you mean cracks?
Cracks like the foundation of calculus, or certain anomalies.
Really? Like what?
I don't know if that's what I heard.
Nah.
And then over time, like mathematicians came in and they filled in the gaps. Like Riemann was he did something with like he did something with calculus. I'm not sure, like missing sets or something like that. It was really
Raymond did a lot of things. He was a ridiculous genius, in what it seems.
There's never any real cracks in it. Could it be? It became certain pieces became more well defined.
They just got sharpened.
Yeah, yeah, it got a little sharper. Well, it was Cauchy actually. Cauchy, the French mathematician.
I'm doing.
In 2.7, we'll have the real definition of a limit,
This is Chem 102.
and that is his definition that we'll be using, and that is the foundation of all of calculus. The calculus is the most coherent
The top part.
mathematical system developed by human beings.
Yeah, I don't know any of that.
I'm taking it right now.
Why don't you Google it?
Yeah. There are.
Okay.
And
Wait, can we trade chairs though? Like this one and that one? Like,
I'm taking it in the morning.
yeah, well, I have never taken one until. You have it too?
Taking it with lab. So it's just
102, yeah.
at what speed does all electromagnetic radiation travel in a vacuum?
well, everybody knows that.
Oh, really?
Huh?
So everybody knows that, don't they?
I haven't even started lab 3 yet. They're making us do the.
Isn't it like what is it? Come on, you know it. Come on.
We haven't even gone over it. We only had lab 1 and 2 today.
Yeah, 300,000 meters per second or something.
So 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second speed
Oh, 10
of
to
light.
the 8. Sorry, 3. What is that? 10 to the 8.
That's what it says right here.
10 to the 8. Let me see that. 10 to the 8.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, it's the speed of.
Mr. Allen? The written homework, do you have assigned things online?
No, I'm generating it right now.
Usually they would give us like a.
I was trying to do it this morning and
That's what pressure me. I haven't done it. I'm just kidding. That's not.
When are we getting the list of homework?
today.
Today.
You're making it today.
Yo. Dang.
I was thinking kilometers of that. Yeah, 300,000 kilometers.
Meters.
Right. Well, no, 300,000 kilometers is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters.
Okay.
I was thinking kilometers. I said meters accidentally. Yeah, it's 300,000 kilometers per second, right?
Yeah. guess.
Yeah.
So I guess
That's the speed of light, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's asking for the speed being obstructed by the vacuum.
Yeah.
So the question was asking, it's not asking for the speed of light, it's asking just what speed does electromagnetic radiation travel in the vacuum?
That's the speed of light.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Because light is electromagnetic
Okay.
radiation.
Oh, wasn't that physicist, like way back when?
What's with you? What's with you, Mr. Math, Physics, History? What?
I used to be a history
Alright,
major, and I used to be a history major my first year, and we learned like math was one big one. They use math as a way to measure innovations and technologies and advancements in management.
Oh,
And so you learned all the different applications.
uh-huh.
So what was it? It's called second greatest invention, second greatest discovery, right? By Maxwell.
Oh, about the speed of light?
Yeah, like light and electricity, magnetism, like how they both were
The same thing? Yeah. That's why it's called electromagnetism now.
Yeah. It was Maxwell, James Clerk Maxwell.
That's correct. Maxwell, I guess, discovered, or I mean, it was kind of understood that maybe it was that way, but I guess he maybe proved it. I don't know.
He had like these four formulas
Yeah.
that defined his entire career, basically.
That's correct.
It was behind, I think it was behind Newton's discovery of gravity. His discovery was second greatest at that time. And then he moved on from there.
Yeah, I mean, not just, I mean, yeah, the discovery of the principles of these things. Right? Newton discovered a mathematical expression to describe how gravity acts on objects. Right? Everybody knew there was gravity. Everybody knew someone was dragging something down.
Was it Robert?
But anyways, like,
Hook? Hook is known for his spring work. Right? He worked on spring.
I heard him and Robert Hook didn't like each other.
well, they're gonna
Like
do that
Robert
tonight,
often blamed him.
but
It's not that hard.
Hook said he was so
They're
close
probably
to
gonna
discovering
charge you-
proof of
oh,
gravity.
but it's a
Yeah.
family
But
thing.
Newton came in last minute.
I don't know about that. It's quite possible. Yeah, they were contemporaries. Yeah. Say it again. Does
Because Newton was interested in physics, did he find calculus based on physics, or was it the other way around?
he came up with calculus to say things about physical phenomena?
This is always the question
And then we were
because
like,
it's mathematician.
Well, physics was a big push to develop mathematical ideas, but the mathematical ideas do not need physics to justify them. They exist in themselves. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. A lot of physicists would say that calculus exists because
In the sense that physics was used as a reason to come to.
yeah, they said
Yeah.
Newton would
I
never
should be able to
discover
finish it all
calculus if
tonight.
wasn't
I just finished
for
all the
physics,
homework.
if it wasn't
All 7
discovering,
homework
or if
for
it
this
wasn't
unit.
using physics as a driving force.
You wanna have?
I did the
That's
online
quite
homework.
possible. Yeah.
Like the 3 sections
So
from
are you
yesterday?
there?
No. And
No, I don't think
the
so.
ones that are going to be
That's the way a lot of
due
these
this
things
summer.
are.
But I just got to finish all 7 quizzes.
No, I do
Yeah.
them on a
That's what all
daily
these
basis.
ones are.
Who would you say is the best out of all of them?
What's that?
Who would you say is probably the greatest
I
mathematician?
could just do that, but I
Best
got too
mathematician
much
Yeah.
of
stuff.
all time?
Yeah.
Because I'm taking 8 credits in 5 weeks.
Oh.